Hello pretty ladies, welcome back to Uti Hair Lounge, the channel where we showcase latest and amazing hairstyles and nail designs. We bring them on this channel. I'm so glad to have you back. Thank you so much for clicking this video. If you're hearing this voice for the first time, you're just coming across my video for the very first time, please don't make today your last. Kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out whenever a new video is uploaded in the channel. Thank you so much as you do that. As you can see guys, today we have compiled the best and latest ponytail hairstyles for my gorgeous queen. Sleek ponytail hairstyles that will make you stand out, that will make you look beautiful. We have it in different styles. It comes in different unique styles. You get to see braided ponytail type, you get to see sleek ones. I don't know how you love your ponytail, but trust me, we have varieties here that will suit your personality. Trust me, by the time you watch from beginning to the end, you must definitely find something that will make you look outstanding, something that will make you look breathtaking. So guys, all we do is to bring trending styles, beautiful designs, beautiful styles to this channel so that you watch and pick your favorite slide. Just when I say we have carefully selected these styles for you, so please take your time to watch it and then choose your best slide. For your next look, maybe for your next salon visit, you might like to rock something like this. So guys, as you watch along, kindly support this channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Giving this video a thumbs up will make it to go viral, to make it to reach wider audience. Thank you so much as you do that, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell notification. See you guys in our next video. Bye.